Okay, hold on. Mattel and Audi just did something that's gonna have every car enthusiast buzzing. Picture this, two legendary Audi models, the Avant RS2 and the R8 LMS, but there's a twist: assembly required. Why is this a big deal? Well, you've got to see the details that Mattel Brick Shop has packed into these iconic models. Just announced, this collaboration could redefine how we celebrate automotive legends. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these models are more than just toys. And wait until you hear what this means for collectors in 2026. First up, the Avant RS2. This wasn't just any Audi, it was the first to wear the RS badge, thanks to a partnership with Porsche. We're talking about an engine that pumped out 315 horsepower and 302 pound-feet of torque, all from a turbocharged inline-5. But here's where things get really interesting. The Mattel version isn't just a replica, it's an experience. With Toyoproxer AAA tires and Aerodisc-style wheels, you're not just assembling a car, you're recreating a piece of history. Now, let's talk about the R8 LMS. This isn't just any race car, it's a champion. Born out of Audi's racing heritage, this GT3 spec machine has claimed 7 overall wins at the Nürburgring. The 1/16 scale model gives you a removable roof, a functional steering wheel, and even a V10 powerplant you can admire. But what truly sets it apart? The personalization options. From splitters to spoilers, you're in charge of your own racing legend. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. These models hit the shelves on October 4th, priced at $49.99 for the R8 LMS and $19.99 for the Avant RS2. They're not just collectibles, they're a hands-on journey into Audi's storied past. And with a Hot Wheels signature metal plate included, these are bound to become sought-after treasures. So, what does this mean for the automotive world? Well, it's a reminder of the passion that fuels car culture. As the industry shifts towards electrification and autonomous driving, these models celebrate the raw, unfiltered joy of driving and racing. Could this be a nod towards a future where car enthusiasts have more ways to engage with their passion? Absolutely. So, what detail impressed you most? Was it the Porsche-tuned engine or the racing pedigree of the R8 LMS? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because next week, I'm breaking down a new trend that's set to shake up the automotive world.